बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to write subhanallah walhamdulillah with markers and double pencils. So let's start. So first of all, join two pencils and write subhanallah with them, and now after that we will write walhamdulillah with them, and after that writing process with pencil become completed. Now we will move ahead and take yellow marker and trace on the pencil, and after that we will use the same marker and fill all the portion. And here you can watch easily that I have used yellow marker in subhanallah, and for filling inside we will use the same marker that we have used in the outlining process. And now after that we will use orange marker for filling the other portions. By using eraser erase all the portions. Now after that we will move ahead, and by taking orange marker we will give the shades in the yellow portion. Here I have used the combination of these markers. You can also use any other marker instead of these markers. And here you can watch easily that in orange portion I have used brown marker for the shading process, and in the blue portion I have used dark blue marker. After that, by using different colors we will shade all the portion, and by using red marker we will draw flowers, and after that by using green marker we will make its frame. And after that our calligraphy become completed. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.